Welcome back to Nerd Chic. Today I'm going to talk a little about Marvel. So the first thing I want to say is if you hadn't seen it, I've got a post on my website, askthenerd.net, on how to watch Marvel movies through and through. If you go through the Disney Marvel series and it says that watching it in the timeline, you're going to miss out on Hulk and a lot of Spider-Man and other stuff. So because it's under other agreements, and you may want to just look at what I tell you as far as like how to watch the Marvel series or videos, movies through and through, especially with all the new Marvel coming out. Anyway, it's in that post, and I always update it. But here's the thing. Right here, right now, I want to talk to you about some Marvel movies and cartoons that are animated that I've acquired, and I'm super excited about these, and here's why. Number one, I got this on Amazon, and it's 3 movie collections. So you get Planet Hulk, and you get the Invincible, Iron Man, and Doctor Strange, all 3 together. And guys, we've watched them. The Doctor Strange especially is an incredible movie. Planet Hulk is a take on what you see in, Thor Ragnarok, and it more follows the comic. And just they're really all good. This is incredible. I love the Doctor Strange. So highly recommend this. It's a great collection because you get all 3 of these movies that are very much separate movies for the price of one. So I got it for like $10. Great deal. Now, this is why I'm super excited. This is fun. This takes me back to my childhood. This is the Invincible Iron Man, the complete 1968 series, Marvel Animated Series Collection. These are not released anymore. You can't find them in the US. You can barely find them in the UK, but they're just hard to find. This is the original series. These cartoons are very much like Johnny Quest style, very old school, a very low level comic book feel. And it's not the quality of today, and the storylines are a little off, but man, it takes me back to my childhood. I found the Invincible Iron Man, the original 1966 series. I found Captain America, the original 1966 series. Thor, the Mighty Thor, the original complete 1966 series. Hulk and Spider-Man as well. They're coming. And the Spider-Man's the 67 series. Folks, those are awesome. You cannot find them online. You cannot buy them anywhere except for one person who's selling them out of Pennsylvania. You can find them on eBay. So go to eBay and you can find these. Look up 1966 series, original, whatever. These he's making out of his house and he's sending them off. And so these are not released anywhere anymore. And of course, they're not official or whatever copies. But again, they're nowhere to be found. You can't find any of these anymore since they're kind of lost after Disney took over. But if you're looking for these, or you're looking for the original Amazing Spider-Man, if you're looking for that 1967 series, you can find them on eBay. This guy's awesome, and you guys, it's really cool to have these. Talk about nostalgia. This is like what I remember comics being when it comes to cartoons. All right, so that's that for today. Thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic. So glad you guys are with us. Be sure to check out our askthenerd.net website and our new subreddit, the Nerdiverse on Reddit, and subscribe. Y'all take care.